Hey you beautiful people, welcome back to a new video on our channel Read Travel Become. First of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy World Book Day, 23rd April. This day is celebrated and recognized by UNESCO, which is a means to promote a reading culture and the publishing culture. Sorry that I won't be able to upload this video today itself, it would take some time, but anyways, currently I'm in my hometown, I'm not in Bangalore. You all know the virus wave has come again, the lockdown scenario is happening again. We are all again stuck in our homes, and that's the only way that we all can be safe. So I'm currently in my hometown, and here in my hometown I have a good number of books with me, but the problem is all of these books are scattered all over my place. Like there are some books in the kitchen, there are some books in my bedroom, in the drawing room. So I thought I'll just collect all of these books together and arrange them. I had a bookshelf, but it was too small to accommodate all of the books that I have received lately and I have bought lately. So I thought I'll just arrange all of these together and make a vlog out of it and show you guys also what all books I have. It would be a kind of a mini bookshelf tour also, but I won't be able to talk about all of the titles, all of the books, because then the video would be extremely long, which I don't want to happen. But yeah, you'll get a glimpse of some of the books which I have. And also I'd like to mention that the number of books that you have, it's never enough. There's never a particular number which says that you have a lot many books or you have a few number of books. So whatever books you have, it's great to have a mini library of your own, a bookshelf of your own. And I hope you like this particular video where we are going to arrange all of the books in my bookshelf. So make sure you watch the video till the end. You may never know which thought or fact may resonate with you and change the course of your life. So let's get started. Okay, so this is the messy room. These are all the books which I currently have. It's quite a task to get all of these books together. I literally had to hunt down all of these books and collect them all and get them all at one place. It's going to be quite a task again to arrange all of these books together. This is the collection which I have since a long time. These are the earliest books which I had read. There are some Agatha Christie books here, there are Dan Brown books here, and there's Homer Dears, there's Great Gatsby, Pride and Prejudice. So these books have a special, because these books were with me when I was in college also. So these books are not going to go anywhere, they're just going to sit here only. The others, I'm going to arrange them. So what happens sometimes is I take a book, I go read it in the kitchen, I read it in my bedroom, and after I'm done reading with the book, I'm not actually in the habit of taking that book again and putting it back where it came from. So because of that, this thing has resulted. All of these books are scattered, but and also once in a while I like to clean my books. Some dust settles there, some of the books become old, there are cracks develop in books, so it's a good practice to actually do this once in a while. Take out all of your books and clean them also. You sort them out. I've seen people who have sorted their books according to colors. They've sorted books according to the authors, according to fiction, non-fiction, read, unread. I still have to figure out what thing I should do. When I had the previous bookshelf, this one, I used to sort it according to the books I have read and according to the books I have not yet read. But I don't think I would be doing that here because there's a lot of space over here. This time I be aesthetically pleasing also. And what's the biggest problem? I couldn't find a lot of books here, and then I remembered that I've actually given out these books to my friends and my colleagues. They're like, just can you lend me this book, can you lend me that book? And those books have never returned. I feel really bad. I don't have Godfather with me right now. I don't have Mario Puzo's other novels also. In fact, I don't have a lot of books with me right now here. I don't have my Dan Brown series. I literally had all of the books written by Dan Brown, but I only have 3 right now. So if you're giving your books to someone, if you're like me, if you really love your books, make sure you take them back. And guys, if you are watching this video, if you have my book, please return it to me. Okay, what else do we have here? That's a Starry Night painting by Van Gogh. Do study about him. He's one of the greatest painters, greatest artists to ever walk on the earth. He has a very tragic story, and it serves as a form of inspiration for me. This is a hieroglyphic painting which is from Egypt. It is actually made on an original papyrus paper. Then we have Harvey Specter here. We also have Doctor Strange with his time stone. Some of the books which I had on the shelf, I have brought them out here to clean them. All of these books are going to be cleaned now. This is my collected treasure, which is going to increase exponentially over the years. I think this will go for a good thumbnail picture, and it feels amazing to have so many books, right? Books are one of the best assets that you can have. Personally, I think every book that I have bought with my own money or I have been gifted. I always think that it is an asset, and I never even think much about the price of the book. If it is not very high, I don't think about it because I can never know which one thought or one fact might resonate with me and make me a billionaire. So it feels amazing to have so many books with you. So I'm done cleaning all of these books. Some of these books had little specks of dust on them, so I've cleaned everything. Now it's time that all of these books go into that bookshelf in an orderly fashion. Oh, and yeah, my sister would be helping me out to arrange all of these books. She's obviously better at all of these aesthetics, so that's what she's doing. So this is the last book which I am keeping. After this, our setup is complete. Can't really tell you how good it feels to have all the books you own around you. Now this place would be a great place to read, to contemplate, to work, everything, because you are constantly surrounded by books. And that is the beauty of paperbacks, that is the beauty of owning physical copies of books. They are right there in front of you. Some days you don't feel right, you feel anxious, you feel depressed, especially in these times where the corona pandemic is on the rise. People are not that motivated, people are anxious. Books can be a very good way to boost up your spirits and think about relevant stuff. If you see books around you, you feel inspired. Even if you're not reading them, even the presence of books makes you feel safe. They give you comfort in a sense. So I really love this place. Do let me know in the comment section, how do you like this place? How do you like the whole vibe of this thing? I'll try using this as a background for my future videos, for my recommendation videos also. It actually took a lot of time to segregate all the books. There's no specific order, there's no specific thing in which these books are arranged. My sister had a good aesthetic sense, so she just told me where to keep these books. So that is how these books are arranged. Oh, it feels really good, and I can't wait to read all the books which I haven't already. I need to start them now. I need to push myself again to read a lot of books now. So because a lot of recommendation videos will be coming up, a lot of good value adding content would be coming up. So stay tuned to the channel. And again, I would like to thank each one of you who is engaging with my content, who is supporting me, who's commenting, subscribing, doing everything. I'm really grateful to you guys. It really motivates me a lot to make meaningful content. It's been a great journey on YouTube, and I'm very excited to make more and more content in the future. I didn't want to make this video very long, that's why I didn't tell you what all books I have. But if you want, someday we can make a bookshelf tour video. I won't be making it immediately, it will take some time. Also, wherever you are, from wherever you're watching this video, please take care of yourselves, take care of your family. It is our moral responsibility to stay home, stay indoors, to avoid the propagation of the infection. These are difficult times, but I'm sure we are gonna get through all of this. So please stay home, stay safe. And yeah, that's all for this video. I really hope you liked everything. Do let me know in the comment section. Share this video to someone you feel would be benefited from this. Like the video and also subscribe to my channel. It really motivates me. So that's all for this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.